Right now, it's becoming very clear what the next move is going to be for Bitcoin, and right now we're seeing a significant consolidation phase getting formed on the 1 and 4 hourly time frame for Bitcoin, and this will be the next move that we need to anticipate with our upcoming trade. So in this video, I will talk about the price targets, the most important levels of support, my next trades, my Ethereum trades that I'm currently looking to take, and also this very important signal that could be flashing here on the daily time frame for Bitcoin anytime soon. So make sure to watch the video till the end. That's going to be a very important one. And can we once again slap up the likes back above 700? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at that imminent short-term target, we previously were looking at some consolidation phases, but right now it's starting to become very clear with a lot of touch points on this consolidation phase. You can clearly see 3 touch points on the lower side, more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points on the top side. We can see that this is the next consolidation phase for Bitcoin, and to be very clear, this breakout towards the upside could bring Bitcoin up to 30,000 US dollars. However, if we do experience the breakdown, it could bring Bitcoin down towards this target around $25,000. What is also exactly the target where I am currently looking to long Bitcoin if we were to come down. If we were to break towards the upside of this pattern, I am actually still going to be looking towards a trade towards the upside. You can clearly see it's a very significant pattern with a lot of touch points, and also in the 4 hourly time frame, you can clearly see the touch points are coming together, and that is why I am definitely very much interested to be trading this exact consolidation phase. We are expecting to see a breakout, not necessarily today, but at least in towards the coming, 36 to 38 hours ahead of ourselves. So maybe we're going to experience a breakout today, but it could also happen at the end of tomorrow. And make sure to follow me across all socials, because I will keep everyone up to date exactly once this pattern does decide to be breaking out. The price target, of course, on the 4 hourly time frame is exactly the same, and you can clearly see right now here after the 4 hourly time frame seeing a significant rally towards the upside. We're right now finally consolidating, and this is really the decision point whether we're going to go up or whether we're going to go down, and it of course will be getting determined whether we're going to be breaking that up or downtrend. Looking at my trade, I still got a Bitcoin limit order set up on $25,000. I am willing to long Bitcoin if we are going to break down on this very important level of support on the lower side. And actually at the point we do confirm the breakdown, I am also going to be opening up a small short position. So make sure to stay up to date on my socials, because once we break it, I will notify everyone out there. But still, my main scenario is to long Bitcoin on $25,000, since $25,000 is this very important level of previous support, big resistance from the past. And if we were to have an opportunity to, of course, long this very important level, I am most certainly going to do so. Talking about Ethereum, still the trading opportunity on Ethereum stays the same. If you once again want to trade a very interesting range, I think Ethereum is a very good range to trade. Every single time we touch the lower side, we bounce. Every single time we touch the top side, we bounce towards the downside. So I think these consolidation phases could be making you a lot of money. And of course, once we break below the support, we're probably expecting to see more significant downwards pressure for Ethereum. And what you want to be doing if we break this support is basically short the retest of this previous support level that will then flip into resistance. So Ethereum also having a lot of great trading opportunities. If you are interested in trading, don't forget to check out the links in the description, because if you sign up an account using the link in the description right now, you can actually get a deposit bonus up to 30,000 US dollars on Bybit, and that is also the main exchange where I'm currently trading on. And while all this is happening, we can also see on the daily time frame for Bitcoin is that we're actually about to see a daily bearish MACD cross happening again, and this MACD cross is very important to pay attention towards. I talked about it last time around. I talked about it right here, and you can see every single time it happens, we tend to see bearish price action for Bitcoin. And like you can see currently, the daily MACD is about to, and we need to pay attention towards it, because once it flashes again, there's a very big likelihood that we're at least going to see somewhat of a downwards pressure getting created for Bitcoin. So once it flashes, we should be paying attention towards this signal. So once this signal confirms, you will be the first one to know here on the channel. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now, because then you will be exactly stay up to date about this important signal to pay attention towards right now. Also, looking then at the resistance, we can currently see we're still not breaking above 28.6k. This is the level to break. If we break above it, I'm flipping bullish on the bigger trend like you do now here. And if I'm purely looking at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, I am definitely very bullish for Bitcoin. If you're looking at the past, every single time we break below that weekly EMA ribbon, we actually tend to see exponential price rallies towards the upside. So I'm still expecting that the macro perspective is looking good on the weekly time frame. It doesn't take away that we could see a small decreasement on the 4-hour or on the 1-hour, but definitely on the bigger perspective, it's actually looking quite good for Bitcoin. So I mean, while this is happening, we can see that Bitcoin is creating somewhat of a rounding top structure, what is definitely a bearish bias structure. We're seeing a consolidation phase getting created, and if we decide to be breaking down of this phase, we could see Bitcoin come down to $25,000, and that is exactly the level where I want to be longing Bitcoin. So if we come down towards this level, I'm going to long it. If we break down, I'm going to short it. If we break outside towards the upside of this pattern, I am actually going to be opening up a long position. So many trading opportunities are coming in here right now here, but while this is all happening, I think on the weekly perspective, Bitcoin is still looking very strong here. You can see it. We broke officially above the EMA ribbon, what basically means that we broke outside of a downtrend that has been here for Bitcoin for already over 470 days, what is of course a significant downtrend. And if you're curious, do I think the worst is already behind this? Yes, I think so, because usually the bear market, the significant price decreasements and basically the till the bottom tends to last for a year, and that year phase has already gone past, and Bitcoin looks to be already have officially formed its bottom. So I'm personally right now not too worried that we're actually going to go to new lows here. However, I am a little bit worried that we could come down back to $25,000. So that was it for me on today's update video. It was a short one, not a lot of new stuff to discuss right now here, only that we're currently clearly seeing what the next move for Bitcoin is going to be here. So we have to wait and see where the breakout is bringing us towards, but of course I'm going to be trading in both directions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.